welcome back. It is currently 84 degrees in the middle of, or actually not even the middle, the end of November right now. So if you're like, Farina, it's literally winter, why are you just wearing sports bra? Because in California it is currently like 84 degrees and it is burning hot, but that's not the point here. I just want to come on here and say hi, hello, good morning everyone. I finished my workout this morning. I did some emails, I took a shower, I also just uploaded a new video, so it has been a productive morning. And then I put on some super comfy activewear, or just like, you know, lounge wear to wear for the day, because I am going on an editing mode. Okay, I'm going on editing mode and I want to be comfortable. And as I was like changing, I was like, wait a minute, why don't I do my little Viori haul for you guys, because I have been obsessed with these pieces for the last couple of weeks and I literally have been living in them for the last couple weeks, and I just want to share them with you guys, just in case you guys are looking for some buttery soft and comfortable, you know, activewear or even loungewear everyday pieces. I got you, I got you. I do want to mention that this video is in partnership with Viori, and even though it's a sponsored video, I am very much in love with all the pieces that I got. And I love that Viori's theme is kind of like coastal California, like we got that like beachy vibes, surfing vibes, you know, all warm vibes, I guess, if that makes sense. I'm gonna start off with the sports bra that I got because it's what I'm wearing right now, and this is a very comfortable sports bra. I'm wearing the Yosemite bra in black camo, and I got a size small, and I just got it in black because I want to be able to pair it with my black leggings or like other colored leggings that I have. And since it is so neutral, it's cute. We got this crisscross detail going on, and I just love a good crisscross detail on the back. I think it's super cute. And then the next item I have is the joggers that I'm wearing right now. I swear to you, these are gonna be the softest joggers you will ever wear. And I just got it in this charcoal gray one, and I love a good gray joggers or sweats. My ladies out there, you know what I'm talking about. It comes with pockets and it hugs your ankles, and it's just a super cozy and comfy joggers that you can honestly wear all year round. Because right now, even though it's November, it's like 84 degrees, and even when it gets colder or even like hotter in the summertime, this is something that I can still wear because it's pretty light, and it does get pretty chilly out here at nighttime. So the next one I have is this light heather gray, kind of like a mock neck sweater, and I honestly like need this in every single color. These are great to just throw on if you're running errands and it's kind of chilly outside but not like super cold, or if you need like a light jacket to wear at the gym. I love that it's a mock neck, but it's like not hugging. It's kind of like very loose and it just kind of like slouched down, but it's a cute look. It's a cute look. The next item I have is this super cute teddy jacket. It has like a mock neck detail, and it's just in this color gray and white, and this one is also made from recycled materials. And this has been really nice, especially for those early morning workouts, because it is pretty cold in the morning, so it kind of like protects me or keeps me warm as I head to the gym. And then if it ever gets hot, you know, while I'm working out, I can just easily unzip it and then take it off and then get on with my day. And last but not least, I picked up their daily leggings, and oh my goodness guys, these are my favorite leggings at the moment. They are so soft. They're literally buttery soft, and I love this detail on the waist. It has this drawstring, so it kind of mimics like a jogger waistband like the one I'm wearing right now. This one comes with a drawstring, and on the leggings it's basically kind of the same, and I just got it in this black color so I can mix and match them with any of the pieces that I got, and then also like the sports bras that I already have. And I promise you, you're not going to want to take these off because of how soft and comfortable they are, and I just love it. Could not recommend this enough. Again, they have these in other colors as well. So yeah, that's my little Viori haul. Again, if you would like to check out the pieces, I will have the links down below. And thank you so much to Viori for sponsoring today's video. So now let's go on with the rest of the video. For lunch, I picked up Chipotle. I haven't had it in a while, and I just picked up a bowl and then chips and guac. Let's see. I am starving. Today I'm opening some PURA packages that has been sitting in my room for a while now, and the first one we have is from Golden Days, and they sent a super cute note. It says, Farina, we hope you love these pieces. Share the code Farina for 15% off. So if you guys want to check them out and you want to get something from Golden Days, you guys can go ahead and use my code Farina to get a couple of dollars off. But here are the really cute items they sent. We have this halter top, and I wish these came before I went on my Hawaii trip because I feel like it would have been a really cute outfit to wear there. These are definitely summer pieces, but I mean, living in California, one day it's 47 degrees, the next day it is like 85 degrees. We got this little one shoulder type of top, super cute. I thought it was a halter top at first, but it is a side little cutout. And then can we talk about this dress? Look at the pattern. It is very much summer, maybe even like 70s vibe, but I think it's super cute, and I love how it's a halter dress, and then the back is backless. So thank you so much, Golden Days, for this super cute package. I cannot wait to try these on. Okay, next package we have is from my Reebok fam. I am a Reebok ambassador if you guys are new here on my channel, and every single month I do a couple of sponsored posts for them. This is the Club Legacy AZ shoe. They have these in a ton of different colors, and this is my color for this month. It's honestly super bright and super bold, definitely out of my comfort zone, but I am really liking the maroon color. It'll definitely stand out when I wear these. Next package is from Shop 424, and this package is so cute, you guys. They wrote me a note. It says, hi Farina, I've been a fan of your YouTube for a couple of years now. You're so inspirational. I love you so much, and you motivate me to do my best, so thank you. I hope you enjoy this candle for my small business. Keep being amazing, Clarice. And I actually opened this in my car already, so that's why everything else is kind of open, but she sent some amazing candle, and can we just talk about the details? Look at that, the details. And her brand name right there. 424. And literally as soon as I open this package, you could just smell it. You could just smell it. And I'll show you guys the candle that she sent. I am going to save this. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. Guys. Wow. Look at this beauty right here. Wait, am I supposed to like put it on a little plate or something? So, because obviously if you light it, it's gonna melt. But I think I'm gonna keep it as a decoration because this is too pretty. Ah, cute. Oh my god, wait, this is so pretty. Thank you so much. Next package is from Kula. And they sent over, oh my gosh, wait, how cute is this though? Look at this. It says healthy skincare people love to wear. So this is a new product from Kula. This is the Sunsilk Drops sunscreen. It says beach to boardroom. Don't let selfies take a toll on your skin. Our award-winning Sunsilk Drops provide complexion protection 365 days a year, combining elegant, broadest spectrum UVA and UVB sunscreen with our plant-derived full spectrum 360 technology. This fast-absorbing, lightweight complex helps mitigate the effects of today's modern world skin aggressors, high energy visible light, which includes blue light emitted from digital devices, IR, which is infrared, and pollution. The next package we have is from Curology, and they just recently came out with a lip balm. I am very grateful that they're still sending me PR, even though my collab with them a year ago already ended. But I'm very excited because I honestly cannot stand chapped lips. So this one is the Curology lip balm. It says the next big thing in lip balm, no cap. Oh my gosh, guys, I got a very exciting package from Emotional Oranges, and if you guys are not familiar with them, they are the ones who sang West Coast Love, and I believe they found me on TikTok and they DM'd me and they were like, hey, we'd love to send you some merch for you to like include in your TikToks. And I was like, oh my gosh, of course, I love West Coast Love. And so it's finally here, and they sent over this hoodie. I feel like it's my color right now. Okay, I'm like doing a terrible job showing you this, but it's just a blue hoodie and it's the size medium. Ooh, the inside is super, super soft. So that's the first one. Ooh, it's a Simo. Then what is this? I haven't fully opened it because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. Wait, are these socks? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Here's the tee. This is Emotional Oranges, and then on the back, I believe these are their tour dates. Brands have already started coming out with their holiday gift guides or just like holiday PR, and I am so excited because I feel like holiday PRs always just hits different. But nonetheless, I'm very grateful for all the PR that I received. This is their collaboration with Dollar General, I believe, and it says complete your holiday glam look with kiss nails and lashes available at Dollar General. And they gave a couple of lashes. We got Belle, we got Dame, and we got Lady right here. And then we also got some press-on nails or glue-on nails. And I love that they included like different styles. You got like one for the holidays because it's like red, and then we got this nude one. I feel like I've bought this before. I probably even still have like a stock of this in my nail collection, but it's like almost similar to my nail color right now. It's very nude and neutral, which I love. Thank you so much, Kiss Products. I'm very excited, and I'm very excited to honestly receive all these holiday PRs.